Hello. Today we are going to study other ways of expressing if. We know that if expresses conditions, and later on we are going to review it when we see conditionals. Right now we have here other expressions that we can use that introduce a condition and a result. The first section is to use only after, only if. We can also use but, like but only after or but only if. And we use them to express that the only condition for this first action to happen is if I do the second action. We can also use provided that or as long as to give the same idea. We can say, I can take a break, but only after I study for an hour. Or I can take a break as long as I study for an hour. We can use them indistinctively and they mean exactly the same. Unless is like using if in negative. The difference is that unless is followed by a verb in affirmative. With if, you need the auxiliary in negative. So I can say, I'll be sleepy if I don't have a cup of coffee first, or I'll be sleepy unless I have a cup of coffee first. The meaning is exactly the same, but it's more natural to use unless and the verb in affirmative. Otherwise means that there is a suggestion and they tell you the result or what the result will be if you don't do that suggestion or that action. Also notice that the punctuation is different. In the first examples, we only have the expressions as part of the clause. We don't really need any commas or periods. But with otherwise, we do. We have the condition, period, otherwise, comma, and then the result. Like, you should set your alarm, otherwise, you won't wake up on time in the morning. Finally, we use even if preceded by a comma to indicate that the result is going to be the same no matter what you do. For example, I wouldn't join that gym even if you gave me a free membership. That is never going to happen. Okay? So, these are the expressions that we can use differently from if. They express different ideas, so I recommend that you use them in your regular speech. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye.